Okay, I hope this works better for everyone. So, like I said, we're going to start with order of operations, going over some examples. So, in order of operations, we use PEMDAS as a reminder. So it stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division in the order they appear left to right, and then addition, subtraction in the order they appear left to right. So in example 1, we have multiplication, subtraction, and parentheses. So the first thing we're going to do is our parentheses. And then inside of our parentheses, the first thing we're going to do is our multiplication. So we have 8 times, and then we're going to do 12 times 3, which is 36, plus 4, which is 40. So our new equation looks like this. So we get the 40 from 12 times 3 plus 4. So the next thing we're going to do, we have multiplication and subtraction. So if we look up here, the next thing is going to be multiplication. So we're going to do 8 times 40. So we have 8 times 40, which is 320. And then we're going to have minus 9. We bring that down. So the 320 comes from the 8 times 40, and then we have that minus 9. So now we're going to do 320 minus 9, which is 311. So 311 is your final answer. Right here for our next one, we have parentheses, division, and subtraction. So again, parentheses are going to be the first thing we do. And inside those parentheses, we're going to do addition and then subtraction, because that's the order they appear from left to right. So we're going to do 10 plus 54 minus 4, which is 60. So we'll have 60. This is going to be division. So the next thing we need to do, we have division and subtraction. And if we go up here, division is the next thing we're going to do. So we have 60 divided by 15. It's going to give us 4. So we have 4 minus 4. So now with just one operation left, we're going to complete that, and 4 minus 4 is 0. Down here in this one, again, we're going to start with parentheses. So we're going to bring down our 6 times. And then the first thing we're going to do is our multiplication. So we have 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 8 is 16. Okay, now we have multiplication and addition. So we're going to do our multiplication first. Multiplication comes before addition. So we have 6 times 16. Which is 96. Plus 5. Now we're going to do 96 plus 5. Which is 101. Okay, now we have 2 sets of parentheses. So we're going to do this set of parentheses and just what's in this set of parentheses. So we have 12 plus 5, which is 17. So we're going to have 17. We're going to bring down the sign. 10 plus 2 is 12. And then we're going to bring down the plus 5. Now we're left with multiplication and addition. So we're going to do multiplication first. So we have 17 times 12, which is 204, and we're going to bring down our plus 5. And 204 plus 5 is 209. Okay. This one again, we have 2 sets of parentheses, so we're going to solve what's in this set and solve what's in this set. So here we have addition and subtraction, so from left to right we're going to solve it. So we have 15 plus 16 minus 3 is 28. So we're going to have 28. Again, this is our divided by symbol. And now we have negative 1 plus 3. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. So we have 28 divided by 2, and that is 14. For here we only have 1 set of parentheses, so we're going to solve that first. We have addition and subtraction, so we solve it from left to right. So we have 11 plus 39 minus 2 is 48. So we're going to have 48 divided by 2 minus 4. So now we have division and subtraction. We use our order of operation rules. First thing we're going to solve now is our division. So we're going to have 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 minus 4. And then 24 minus 4 gives us 20. Here we have 2 sets of parentheses, so we're going to solve the parentheses first. So we have 15 plus 4 which is 19, plus, and here we have addition and division. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to divide. And the second thing we're going to do is our addition. Okay, so 10 divided by 5 is 2, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So we have 19 plus 8, which is 27. Again, we have one set of parentheses and two sets of parentheses. So we have addition and subtraction. We're going to solve it straight across. So we have 13 plus 28 minus 5 is 36. So we have 36 divided by 10 minus 7 is 3. And 36 divided by 3 is 12. Here, two sets of parentheses again. So we're going to do this set of parentheses and this set of parentheses at the same time. Okay, so we have 13 minus 4, which is 9, plus, and here we have subtraction and division. Order of operations in here says we solve the division first and then the subtraction. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So we have 9 plus 5, which gives us 14. In our last problem, we have one set of parentheses and two sets of parentheses. So again, we're going to solve those first. So 20 plus 4 is 24 times 14 minus 6 is 8. And then we bring down our minus 3. Now we have multiplication and subtraction. So the next thing we're going to do is multiplication. So we have 24 times 8. It's 192. I don't know where my text box went. Okay, so we have 192 minus 3. And that gives us 189. So that is everything I have planned for today. If you guys have any questions, you can always email me. And if I don't hear from you, I will talk to you next week. Have a great day.